Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. We're talking directly to you today, the students out there currently grinding for finals and the parents supporting them every single step of the way. We are going to explore a massive shift happening right now in the future of engineering careers, one that moves way, way beyond just degrees and job titles. So, here's a pretty heavy question. Are we preparing for a world that literally no longer exists? I know, parents, you're paying tuition, and students, you're pulling those all-nighters. But with the AI era completely changing the game practically overnight, we really have to ask if the traditional career paths still work. Let's dive right in. All right, Section 1, the hard truth. Degrees aren't enough. You know, landing a safe core or IT job used to be the absolute dream. But as Dr. Tharankumar Thinakaran points out, degrees and technical knowledge alone are no longer enough. We're in the middle of some intense skills inflation. Honestly, graduating with top scores and a dozen certifications just doesn't guarantee you a placement anymore. So, what's actually driving all this? Well, it's a perfect storm of industry disruptors. We've got AI and automation, a huge renewed focus on sustainability, and incredibly rapid digital transformation. Think about it. When an AI can instantly recall every engineering formula ever written, old-school rote memorization immediately becomes a thing of the past. Moving on to Section 2, the Future Ready Toolkit, 4 essential traits. Now, this isn't a reason to panic. Actually, it's a massive opportunity. The first tool you need is adaptability. This is your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn as industries evolve. The most successful grads of the future won't necessarily be the ones pulling the highest starting salaries on day one. They're going to be the ones with the highest learning speeds. And that speed feeds right into our second trait, cross-disciplinary thinking. Yes, understanding your circuits or writing super clean code is crucial, but you also have to understand design, business, and most importantly, people. Stepping outside that traditional engineering bubble is exactly how you see the true impact of your technology. Next up is a problem-solving mindset. This is a total game changer. It requires shifting your perspective from just finding a job to actively solving real-world problems. Transitioning from a passive job seeker to an active creator of value, that is your absolute best career insurance in the AI era. But listen, absolutely none of this matters without the fourth trait, communication skills. The harsh reality is that brilliant ideas only make a dent when they are clearly shared. The best students don't just buff up their resumes with slightly higher GPAs, they learn how to broadcast stronger career signals to the rest of the world. Which brings us to Section 3. The new career goal, redefining success. It is time we completely rethink the ultimate goal of an engineering education. Yesterday's goal was simply to get placed in a company. Tomorrow's goal? Create solutions that make companies chase you. Engineers who really embrace this shift, they aren't just going to have jobs. They're going to build careers with real, lasting impact. And that leaves us with one final, really important thought. Students and parents, as you look ahead, the real question isn't, what company will I join? The true question is, what future am I ready to build? Don't just chase a job title. Focus on building a career that actually leaves a mark. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I truly hope this helps you go out and build an incredible future.